Meteorologist Matt Engelbrecht joining us here, and Matt taking a look not just at precipitation but snowfall here over the past week, or the week ahead.
Or the week ahead, yeah,
Yes.
going through Friday at 7 o'clock. In fact, going through some of the numbers in the forecast, seeing more of the 20s in our morning temperatures on average across the nation than what we've seen the last couple of weeks. And there's a look at that snowfall estimate. Now, of course, that's a snowfall estimate. If we want to talk precipitation, the other side, the warmer side of precipitation regarding rainfall, there's going to be a weak low pressure system that kind of cuts up here to the north. And you'll see that in the surface map. You also see it with the rainfall. Now, this is precipitation. So as we just discussed, this green, the majority of it in higher elevations is going to be coming down as snow. But this is all going to be rain up into parts of Minnesota, into Wisconsin, and the UP of Michigan, including northern Michigan, as well as into northern Illinois. This is through 2 a.m. on Thursday with the rainfall estimate. Back down here to the south, some moisture down there as well into Louisiana. What's going on with the jet stream is we're starting to see more potent systems, storm systems work across the United States. You got a ridge of high pressure that's going to be developing to the southeast, and there's that weak low pressure system. Really wouldn't call it a clipper since it is going to drive some of the energy back down here to the south and work back up to the north. It's that high pressure that is going to result in kind of a blocking pattern for that low rather than going straight to the east. It's going to track more to the northeast into Wisconsin and northern Illinois. On the backside of that system, some cooler, drier air comes in, and that's where we'll see that combination of the rainfall and cold air or snow. As for that surface map, so I got the pressure on here. This circle you see there, that is high pressure. A big ridge of high pressure is going to keep that low pressure system, which is in the red here, tracking more to the northeast rather than to the east. And then high pressure building in very quickly on the backside of this system. So that's going to be, again, that low pressure system bringing in that cooler, if not colder, drier air back here to the west, combining for some snowfall for a few locations in the United States. Otherwise, the next bit of energy is going to be off the west coast, not here yet, but by Saturday and Sunday of this weekend, we'll start to see that next system take shape off the west coast. As for temperatures this afternoon, they're mainly seeing the 70s, but also on the other side of that low pressure system, the 40s for highs. Overnight lows, more of the 30s and the 20s showing up in the forecast than we had just about a week ago. Crosby, North Dakota, sunny and breezy, high of 48, low of 24. Macy, Oklahoma, sunny and calm, south wind, high of 78. What about Colorado? Windy and sunny, cold, high of 57.